This summer has seen a significant increase in detainees at the ICE detention center.
Our sister station in Fresno spoke to Fresno Congressman Jim Costa about the concerns he has with the jump in numbers, and Eyewitness News reporter Michelle Roldan broke down what he had to say. She joins us now in studio. Michelle?
That's right. Congressman Costa pointed out that the number of detainees has increased significantly between June and August. However, an important question remains. How many of these detainees are being held due to criminal charges, and how many are detained simply because their legal status is in question?
We have an issue right now where the facility in Bakersfield, where in June had 53 people detained, there are now 385 people detained as of my visit last week.
Congressman Jim Costa then said that when he asked how many of the detainees were held due to criminal activities and how many were held due to their legal status being in question, the staff at the facility were unable to provide answers.
Law enforcement agencies generally won't discuss the numbers of individuals who are being detained on immigration or criminal offenses, even to a member of Congress. Now, of course, Congress has subpoena power, and they could subpoena the head of DHS or Immigrations and Customs Enforcement or CBP to testify, broadly speaking.
I reached out to Immigration Customs Enforcement, which directed me to their facility data spreadsheet. According to the spreadsheet's section on contract facility inspections, the last reported guaranteed minimum at the Mesa Verde facility was 320 detainees. This includes 66 males and 2 females under criminal reasons, as well as 34 males and 15 females categorized as non-criminal. During the same interview, Congressman Costa also mentioned the case of Sam Bapor,
The gentleman who's general manager at Pismo's restaurant, Sam Bapor, who I think is being detained in a way that doesn't comply with the current law. And he has a family. He came to this country when he was 3 years old. He's in essence a dreamer.
The reason for his detention is a burglary charge that is over 20 years old. This charge was later reduced and ruled non-deportable by a judge. When I asked Neama Rahmani, president of West Coast Trial Lawyers, if a non-deportable case could still lead to deportation, he explained that Bapor's burglary charge under California law is considered a wobbler.
Potentially, he could challenge his removal and deportation. It could be charged as a misdemeanor or a felony. Now, certain types of felonies do make you removable if it's an aggravated felony or a crime of violence, for instance. Most misdemeanors do not, but they potentially can. So that's why a burglary conviction by itself isn't enough.
Congressman Costa also said he will work to make a distinction between individuals detained for criminal activities and those working and living here who need help with their legal status. In studio, Michelle Roldan, Eyewitness News.